Hello everyone and welcome. Today we'll explore writing prompts, the key to guiding Midjourney's AI toward the exact images you envision. By focusing on length, detail, and structure, you'll learn to craft prompts that consistently produce the results you want. What is a prompt? A prompt is the text you provide to Midjourney. It's essentially the creative brief for your AI artist. A good prompt ensures Midjourney knows what you want. Why prompts matter? Clarity. The clearer your instructions, the better Midjourney can fulfill them. Efficiency. Well-crafted prompts reduce the need for repeated attempts and revisions, saving you time and effort. Keep it short and clear. When you're first starting, simple prompts can be very effective. For example, a cat sitting on a windowsill. This provides enough information for Midjourney to understand the basic subject. However, simple prompts often yield generic results. If you want more creative or specific images, you'll need to add detail. Why detail matters? Detail transforms a generic prompt into something rich and specific. It's the difference between a cat on a windowsill and a fluffy orange tabby cat basking in the sunlight on a windowsill overlooking a blooming garden. How to add detail. Adjectives. Words like fluffy, vibrant, or impressionistic can change the style or atmosphere. Settings or environment. Describe where the subject is. Is it a sunny windowsill, a bustling city, or a quiet forest path? Contextual elements. Mention background elements, like flowers, buildings, or specific scenery, that enrich the scene. Components of a well-structured prompt. Subject. What or who is the focus? Descriptors. Key adjectives that define the look or feel of your subject. Environment. The setting or background. Style. Include an artistic reference if you have one. In the style of Van Gogh, hyper-realistic, or watercolor painting. Example structured prompt. A majestic lion standing on a rocky outcrop at sunset, surrounded by golden savanna grass, in the style of a vintage wildlife photograph. By organizing your ideas, you help Midjourney parse them more clearly and produce an image closer to your vision. Layering complexity. Once you have a handle on details, you can layer multiple elements in a single prompt. This might involve combining different subjects, experimenting with various art styles, or specifying camera angles and lighting conditions. Example complex prompt. A futuristic cityscape at night with towering neon skyscrapers, flying cars, and holographic billboards in the style of Blade Runner, captured from a bird's eye view. Complex prompts are powerful but require careful wording. Make sure your elements don't conflict. Otherwise, you might confuse the AI. Practical example, step by step. Start simple, a serene beach at sunset. Add detail, a serene beach at sunset with pink and orange skies, gentle waves and palm trees swaying. Incorporate style, a serene beach at sunset with pink and orange skies, gentle waves, palm trees swaying in the breeze, in the style of a watercolor painting. Notice how each additional layer refines the scene further, shaping the final image more precisely. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Remember that practice and experimentation are the best ways to master prompt writing. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or want to share your Midjourney creations, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy creating with Midjourney.